So the first thing you need to know is that how you navigate in the viewport, right? So if you hold down the middle mouse button, you can scroll, you can like navigate around. Sorry guys. So that was pressing down the middle mouse button, and the next thing is if you scroll with it, scroll with the middle mouse button. If you scroll with the middle mouse button, you're just gonna like scroll out and scroll inwards like this. So really helpful, guys. Then the last thing is if you hold down Shift on your keyboard and hold down the middle mouse button, you can pan around like this. You see? But that only works if you hold down the Shift key and the middle mouse button at the same time. So make sure that you do that, guys. Okay, so just gonna navigate around. I really recommend you guys to just try to navigate around a little bit. And yeah, that's basically like it, I would say. Then, okay, so now we're gonna delete everything in the scene because we want to start from scratch. So just press the left mouse button up at the side like this, and you can drag it out like this, like rectangular shape. So you take all objects, and if you accidentally pressed outside, like on the side right here, you're not gonna be able to delete this item right now. So make sure that you drag from the side like this, middle, not middle, left click mouse button, drag like this, and then delete, either with the delete key or X and delete. Okay, and to add a new object, guys, you need to press Shift and then A to get up this panel. Here you can see all different kind of stuff. You can see mesh, curves, and like a lot of different stuff, text, so you can write like a nice text, add reference image, light, camera, and other stuff as well. So we're gonna go to mesh and add a sphere, and to get up this menu you need to press Shift A, guys, so remember that. So we're just gonna press UV sphere like this. You can see, guys,